Well, good morning, everyone. It is Ragged07 with you, and I'm going to give you a little update and the story that J7409 sent me. And Jay is going to be fine. She's going to survive, and everything will be okay, okay? But she has paroxysmal vertigo. It messes up with her eyes as well as her head. And she's on 3 different medications that cause her to be super tired. And when I talked to her this morning, she was really out of it. Okay, so she needs her rest. She's going to be in bed probably for the next few days. So don't call if you have her number, and I'm not even going to call her. Okay, so don't. She really needs her rest to get better and get this thing under control, which I'm sure certainly she will. But don't stop praying for her. Okay, please. Because she needs all of our prayers. So I'm going to try to get through this here. I am not good at a teleprompter type like reading. So, I could never be president. Ha. Okay. So here we go. Earth just narrowly missed getting hit by an asteroid. The asteroid missed Earth by less than a quarter of the distance to the moon. And that's kind of close, don't you think? On Saturday, astronomers discovered a new asteroid just a few hours before it almost hit us. The asteroid is called 2016 QA2, and it missed Earth by less than a quarter of the distance to the moon. And that puts us about 3 times far away from the Earth as our furthest satellite. And we never saw it coming. So how did QA2 sneak up on us like that? For this particular asteroid, the answer seems to be that it is a very peculiar orbit. It is highly elliptical, which means it can usually be found hanging out by Mars or Venus, but rarely ends up on Earth. But more worrying, another worrying reason, is that there aren't a lot of people looking for potentially dangerous asteroids, while Congress has tasked NASA to find 90% of the asteroids 400 feet or larger by 2020. The agency is nowhere near close to that goal. Funding for this asteroid detection is very low, and most telescopes that could detect asteroids this size won't come online for a few years. That's crazy. Okay, and even NASA was on track of and even if NASA was on track on meeting its goal, they still would have missed 2016 QA2, which is about 50 to 100 feet. Asteroids this size are so small there's almost nothing we can do to detect them. And they also cause a lot of damage. Now let me see if I can pronounce this. Okay. I even looked this up on how to pronounce it, believe it or not. Okay. Chelyabinsk, asteroid, which exploded over Russia in 2013. Damaged multiple buildings and injured over 1,500 people. That asteroid was only 55 feet wide. As far as asteroids go, we've been pretty lucky. But unless we seriously ramp up our asteroid detection capabilities, it's only a matter of time before something much worse happens. And this was brought to you by Minor Planet Center via Gizmodo. Actually, the website, I'm going to put the link below so you guys can check it out in case I screwed something up. And you know me, I'm always tongue-tied. That's because it's ADHD time here, kids. All right, but Popular Mechanics did this one, so it seems to be a pretty reputable story. I know that Michelle is going to be doing a really cool video, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're just going to have to go over to Michelle W's page and check her out. All right? And Please do not stop praying for Jay. She needs your prayers. God bless you. Peace be with you. And keep your eyes to the sky and everything around you. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you later. Bye-bye.